guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today's tech tip is just gonna be a real quick one, and I mean really quick. But I was putting the cross member on the frame, and I figured I'd show you a quick trick that I learned a long time ago. I know a lot of machinists use this, and a lot of mechanics and fabricators use this trick, but this is just a real quick tech tip or trick, so that you know, the people that don't know it on YouTube can try it, and you know, it works awesome. But it's just using your 1, 2, 3 blocks for other uses. And I'll go ahead and flip the camera around and I'll show you what I got. So these are your typical 1, 2, 3 blocks right here. And oh crap, I should have that tape measure out already. So it's just it's 3-inch here. You kind of get the drift, you know, 2-inch this way and 1 inch across this way, and that's why they call them a 1, 2, 3 block. And these are used for doing layout, you know, machinists and whatever, use them for layout. But woodworkers actually use them for a lot of uses, and like I said, I'll do another video on these pretty soon, and with some pretty trick uses. These are some machinist blocks, and so are these. These are layout blocks for like welding table or machinist. And these are aluminum, these are steel, it doesn't matter. But as long as you have something that has a true, you know, 100% 90 degree on it with different sizes or whatever, you can use them. There's all kinds of different uses for them, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm trying to lay out the frame, getting everything set up, and I have part of the cross member in here. And the problem is every time I try to use a square to figure out if this is square over the top of the frame, you have to almost eyeball it right here, or you have to go all the way inside there. Well, the problem is you can't see the square. So by simply just taking one of the layout blocks, either like this and run it on that backside, or flip it up this way, and right here you can see it's a, you know, it's square and plumb and all that good stuff. Just a quick tech tip, works awesome. Keeping these blocks around, there's all kinds of different uses, you know, for these here. And you can see that it's square off the frame there, and I did the other side already. So this will be ready to drill and bolt in or whatever. But hope you guys like the video. Leave a comment down below if you like it, or if you have any other ideas you want me to try. But I appreciate you watching. Later.